Is war affecting students studying abroad? Recently, many students and parents have been asking me one important question. With so many global conflicts happening, is it still safe or practical to plan studying abroad? Let's talk about the real situation and the facts, not just the headlines. Education has always continued even during global crisis. If we look at history, education has almost never stopped globally, even during major crises. For example, during Russia and Ukraine war and even during COVID-19 pandemic, universities around the world continued operating. Admissions were still open, classes continued online or hybrid, and students continued traveling abroad for studies. Many students continue going to countries like Germany, Hungary, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, America. So while the news may make situations look uncertain, the global education system is actually very resilient. Another important thing many people don't realize is that international students are extremely valuable for universities and countries. They contribute academically, culturally, and economically. Because of this, governments and universities usually make strong efforts to protect students by providing visa flexibility and protection, safety and relocation support, options for online and hybrid classes, academic continuity so students don't lose semesters. This is why even during difficult global situations, international students are really left without support. What actually happens during conflicts is not that students stop studying abroad, they simply adjust their destination. For example, during conflict in Ukraine, many students who were studying there shifted to universities in countries like Poland and Hungary. Universities and governments help them transfer and continue their education. So the dream of international education continue. It just sometimes changes location. So the reality is this. Global conflicts may change where students go, but they rarely stop students from pursuing international education and global careers. The important thing is planning carefully, choosing the right country, and having a proper guidance. Because when students plan wisely, opportunities around the world are still very much open. If you are a student thinking about studying abroad and feeling confused because of the global news, getting the right information and guidance can make all the difference. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about study abroad opportunities, scholarships, and global career planning, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with students who are planning to study abroad. I will be sharing more real insights about international education and global careers in the coming videos.